terms of operations today, we are in process of lifting all the bridge beams in. So there's 121 precast beams that have been made by one of our supply chain partners in Ireland. They get delivered on a just-in-time basis on site every day. We are going to spend the best part of a month installing these using a 650-ton mobile crane. We place the intermediate beams first, and then we tie all the beams together using some rebar, which goes in cutouts in the intermediate beams. Then we place the edge beams, which have got a coping already cast onto them.